This is my second video about Fusion. Why you should learn Fusion. There is many reasons why you should learn Fusion. First thing, the Fusion will make your video editing way better and looks more expensive. What I mean here, you will learn no tips, no tricks, a lot of good things. You will create a lot of VFX, a lot of 3D in some good shapes. You think that will take you a lot of time. It's complicated, but it's not. Trust me, it's so easy. All you need is just to learn the basics and understand how it works. That's it. My editing before Fusion, it was very simple. I was doing just cut, some customization for the text, some transitions, and some keyframes. That's it. That was my editing. It was very simple. But after the Fusion, as you can see now, I can create shapes, I can create backgrounds, I can make this thing, liquid effect. You will learn a lot of things. It's so easy and simple. In the beginning, it looks complicated, but it's not. But if you are still new with software and you don't feel comfortable with the software, then I recommend to stay and focus more on edit page. When you learn the basics and simple things, then you can move to the Fusion. And here in this point, this is what I did when I was learning DaVinci Resolve. Go to the Google. This is DaVinci Resolve. This is a website. Go right here to the training. Click, scroll down. You see here, we have a lot of courses. It's free. You can watch them when you have a time, and better start from the first one. That's what I did. I watched almost everything. Even if you know the basics, watching tutorials and learning a new idea will make you more comfortable with the software. Watch these videos and scroll down. At least watch until the color management. I have watched this tutorial as well. Even if you don't need it, watch it. At least you will have an idea how these wheels working. You will know left, gamma, gain, offset. You will understand how these things working. And after you get to this point, from here I jumped straight to the Fusion. There is another Fusion course right here. I have watched this one, the first one, and I have watched this one as well, and this. But at that time, I couldn't understand enough because I think my level at that time was very basic, so I couldn't understand enough about the Fusion. And after that, I went to the YouTube. I started watching some tutorials, trying to understand how it works. But unfortunately, on YouTube, a lot of YouTube videos was just like about do this, do that, move this, add this one, change this. Without any explanation, it was just waste of the time. So that's why I have created a video about Fusion. In my opinion, it's the best video about learning Fusion. I will leave the link in description. I'm not saying it's the best because it's my video, but it's the best in my opinion because I focused more and I highlighted the things that was confusing me when I was learning Fusion. And now, because of the Fusion, when I have any idea, I try to create it. That's it. It's so simple. In the same thing, you will not be limited. You can create a lot of good things. The Fusion is very useful. Just try it and trust me, you will be surprised how easy it is, this tool. Your editing will be way better than it was before. The answer of the question why you should learn Fusion, briefly, Fusion will give you new ideas. You will learn a lot of good things, new tricks. Your editing will be much easier and faster. Also, your videos will look way better. The Fusion is not complicated as we thought. It's so simple. Just try it and that's it.